Hey guys, and welcome again to my channel. Today I would like to talk to you about how to organize a terminal and also how to, keep a good track of your analysis. And so the motivation for this video today is to help you to be efficient in terms of time, but also in terms of like going back and understanding what you actually did. So keeping a good record, keeping some good notes, but also organizing your terminal in a way that, really helps you go back 6-7 months later after you completed one analysis and you need to write material methods, you need to write the results. And so I'm going to share my own method, but, take what you like. Okay, let's do this. So usually when I work, I have a terminal prompt open. So the one that we have here. And I usually have a text editor also open. And text editors can be really powerful to help you understand what's wrong with the code. And so, for example, in Sublime Text, the text editor that I use, Sublime Text is super easy, it's super simple. And here on the right corner, we just select the language we want. So if you code on Python, you would choose Python. Here I'm going to put Unix, and then you do see that things organize and they become cleaner and they become with different colors, which for example helps you understand if there's a misplaced quote, because if I delete a quote, everything becomes, let's say, the other way around. And it just really helps me maintain a flow of my analyses. So usually the way that I do is I write my code here and then I copy paste it to the terminal, something like this. I'm not going to run it here. And it also allows me to just have some idea about the navigation. So I'm working on folder 1. On folder 1 I run this cat command, and then on folder 2 I run this huge loop. Another really powerful way that I use Sublime Text for is for sometimes manipulating or editing things. So for example, on this example here, what I can do is I select everything, I put a cursor in every line, and then you see if I happen to have a file called FASTA like this, I can just create the move command and navigate it. For example, add cleaned FASTA. So here I'm just changing the name, and it's just powerful. You might also use loops for this or something. I find another thing that, for example, you can do is, for example, to do a loop, you might just put them all together, and then for I in, and then you see everything is arranged in one line, and then I can just do the loop. And so I find this super useful to navigate and to try to run some commands on Unix, even to change inside the file using SED. Okay, so that's about it. I told you that I usually copy paste my commands from here. The way that I then proceed on the terminal is just copying pasting. But the way that I like organizing things is by numbers. So I got this from a collaborator, and he really showed me that, if you have things with different projects, with capital letters, with lowercase letters, things are really hard to place. And sometimes if you have 100 files on your folder, they are really, really hard to navigate. And so here, what we do, or what I do, is that I just have things organized. So for example, I have a project that is 013 Scalise genome, and trust me, it's just so much easier to call things after 13 and remember, yeah, this is project 13 I'm going into. And here's another example. Inside the project I have more of this coding, and then things become intuitive if you have to show this to your boss or to a collaborator, like, look, genome, so the genome assembly, the gene annotation that comes after the genome assembly, right? And then other genomes that I downloaded from NCBI. And so, and even inside I have this organization. Inside all of these, because then these are kind of stacked together, but I'm writing this paper, you see I did at least 26 different analyses. And some of these analyses have tons of analysis inside and tons of programs. So it really becomes daunting to remember everything you did, but this makes it more intuitive, and even making a checklist with now I did 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, etc. One of the things that I also think it's really powerful is having README files. So this is the subgenome analysis, and you see I was coding it on Sublime Text, and then I copy pasted the results here. So basically this is just showing me the results, but inside of all of these zeros I have the commands that I used for example, the UCEs. So for the UCEs, you see I have explanations of what I did in as pseudocode. I have the folder that I've been in, and it's telling me that folder 01 is 2-bit convert. So the first step is to convert to 2-bit. And then inside this folder, we did all of this. And then on folder number 2, I will have the last file, so a conversion to a last. And so this, to me, at least, really helps me organize my flow, and really helps me then if a collaborator needs some code, or if I need to go back to justify something for, let's say, when my manuscript comes off the reviewers, this really helps me keep my stuff organized. Again, these are only recommendations that I encourage you to change, adopt,